So I think there's a couple of drivers here, right? So one is just operationally, if you just look at where we've been for the last 10 years and where our efforts have been as organizations to be more efficient, we've largely spent most of the last 2 decades putting in rigid process technology in place, right? We've been looking for places where we can continue to do repeatable things and remove some of the subjectivity that comes with completing work. And so we've put in ERP systems and content management systems and CRM systems, and we've pretty much standardized everything that we possibly can standardize, right?
Mhm.
And but if you and we've also put obviously content management and file systems and SharePoint and all that fun stuff. But if you step back and you start to look at, really to complete specific business activities inside large organizations, and you superimpose that on what value these rigid process systems bring, you start to see really, really big white spaces inside our organizations. Let's pick one example, right, which is your typical CRM process. And you look at what a sales rep or a marketing person actually does on a day-to-day basis. 95% of their work is actually scrambling across organizations, finding the right people, collaborating in conference rooms, working with people. And it's only when they have the right answers do they go back to these CRM systems to say, hey, I have a new opportunity, or I've closed a lead, or what have you, right? The real work is being done outside of those very process systems that we actually put in place. And so when we start to, look at just even if nothing else, but just from a percentage of time spent, and we start to understand, how much value are these process systems bringing to day-to-day activities, we start to see that there are massive white spaces that are today being supported by either file systems or networks or email systems, right? And so the result is that as organizations, we really don't have a connective tissue across the organization that allows us to rapidly find the right minds across increasingly global organizations. Have the facilities to create virtual teams and project spaces and work together with people, and start to essentially enrich in the output that goes out, so that so that what we're actually reporting to those very process systems is really the best answers we can possibly have, right?